Hello again and welcome back to Arduino University Challenge. The challenge set this week, number 2, was to produce an interactive bike light using, as you can see, the Arduino Uno. Oops, let's take that out of there. Basically, the brief was that we were to use some LEDs and a switch, and we were to have several different modes that when you press the switch once, the lights were to go on. When you would have pressed the switch twice, they were supposed to flash. And at this point we were told basically that they were to turn off, but I went one step further and added a very pretty pattern. As you can see, and press it 4th time, it turns off. So yeah, this was quite a challenge, this one, because it used lots of if and else statements. This is my code here. As you can see, I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio. I use this because I find it easier to use than the Arduino software. And being students, we get it for free from Microsoft, fortunately enough. But as you can see here, there's I used an array at the top to set the pins. I used a val command to read the variable for the delay, and I used button state to count the amount of presses the button had. Yeah, so this was quite interesting, a challenge. If we scroll down, you can see here we've got val is checking to see if the pin is low, to see if the button's been pressed. And basically it's saying if light mode is 0, i.e. if the light is off, that it turns the light on. Or else, if it's already on, i.e. if light mode is number 1, it's going to blink the light. If you scroll down, we've got a nice pretty pattern which is produced at the end. Yet again, this is all using an array and telling which pin to light up and when. Now, this challenge this week was pretty challenging. Next week's challenge is to use the Arduino Uno and breadboard to produce sound. And when I've completed that project, I'll upload it to YouTube for people to have a look at. So be prepared for a horrible sound coming out of a breadboard with a tiny little speaker on it. Anyway, I'll see you again next time, and hope you enjoyed it.